I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you've found yourself with a suspended Reddit account, don't worry. Here's a straightforward guide to help you recover it. Step 1. Understand the reason. Before taking action, check your email for any messages from Reddit explaining the suspension. Understanding why your account was suspended is crucial for the recovery process. Step 2. Visit the Reddit Help Center. Go to the Reddit Help Center and navigate to the account recovery section. This area provides specific guidance on how to appeal a suspension. Step 3. Submit an appeal. Fill out the appeal form with accurate information about your account. Be polite and concise in your explanation and provide any relevant details that might help your case. Step 4. Wait for a response. After submitting your appeal, be patient. It may take several days for Reddit support team to review your case and respond. Keep an eye on your email for their reply. Step 5. Follow up if necessary. If you don't hear back within a week, consider sending a follow-up message through the Help Center. Sometimes a gentle nudge can help expedite the process. Remember, patience is key during this process. Good luck, and I hope you get your account back soon.